is Sue, and today we're going to read Ty's Travels Beach Day by Kelly Starling Lyons, and the pictures were done by Nina Matta. Look at the picture on the front. What do you think the story is about? What are they doing? Are they surfing? Ty looks out the window. The sky is blue, the sun shines. What a good day for the beach. Ty puts on his trunks. He grabs his pail and toys. Daddy and Ty go outside. They step into the warm sand. Ty wiggles his toes and grins. Ty and Daddy dig. They find seashells, they build a sandcastle. Ty spots a seagull and he shows Daddy. What will Ty see next? What else do you think he'll see at the beach? Ty wipes his face. He spots their cooler. Ty pulls out some ice pops. They drip and taste so good. What will Ty see next? The sea sparkles. Come on, Daddy, Ty says. Ty runs and splashes. Daddy splashes too. What will Ty see next? Then Ty hears something. Thwack! He looks next door. All Ty sees is the fence. Ty spots a beach ball. Up, up, up. Then down and thwack. Up, 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 then down and thwack. Up, 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 uh-oh. The ball flies over the fence. Ty hits the ball back, thwack. Ty spots his friend Jazz. He's holding the ball. Thanks, Ty, Jazz says, waving. Ty looks at Daddy, and Ty's Daddy smiles and nods. What do you think Ty asked his daddy? That his dad smiled and nodded. Want to come over to our beach? Ty asked Jazz. Jazz asks his mom. He's back in a flash. Jazz steps in the warm sand. He wiggles his toes and grins. Ty and Jazz dig a moat. A moat is what they build around the sandcastle and fill it with water. They splash, they surf the waves. What will they see next? Ty spots a crab. Look at the crab. What a cool way to move. Daddy starts them off. On your mark, get set, go. Ty and Jazz crab race. What will they see next? Jazz spots his beach ball. Thwack! He hits it to Ty. Thwack! Ty hits it to Daddy. Back and forth again and again. The sun shines. Ty and Jazz wipe their faces and plop on the sand. Ty spots the cooler and Daddy gets the ice pop. There's so much to see at the beach. Ty saw the best thing of all, a friend. I hope you enjoyed the story today.